What's going on, guys? So today we're doing mulch. We just clean up in here all the pine straw. This is the bags. So this is where we had the mulch. We are doing 3 inches, real thick. You don't need a fabric. So it's coming up really nice. You got 7 yards. This is 4. And that's all this area. Back there a little bit. Then we gotta put a little bit over here, and on the back there we gotta do a little bit, and on the back we gotta do about 3 yards. Oh yeah, and it's gonna rain, I believe. All right, we are done for today. We have a lot left. Right here. Sí, faltó un poquito ahí. All these 7 yards, and a little bit right here. Looking good, man. Right here. And right over here.
Hey.
Good?
Good.
Great. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, now I'm just going to take this and blow out these rocks a little bit.
And that's it, man. The rain, I don't think it's gonna rain. It's supposed to be coming, but it's drizzling little by little. It comes down and it goes away. I'm glad we got it done though. That's it. Alright, man. Early 12:30.